video, we thought to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Stay happy.